Alright, hi guys, so it's going to be like a throwback to some old YouTuber type stuff. I'm on the floor, the bed is like right here. Jonathan is sleeping, I'm not home, but I just want to talk to you guys. It's going to be like a 2-in-1 video because it's like a chit chat, get ready with me, but like throwback to old time YouTube days. So yeah, so I want to talk health and fitness for a while, or for the majority of this video, because I have been off my game. I haven't been to the gym or to the hill in months. I'm talking like 4 months. I think it's 4 months I haven't been to the gym, and 3 months I haven't been to the hill. I just haven't been there. I've been really trying to keep my weight down. I'm currently at 135, and I don't know, I have been doing my teaming, you guys say, and I did the review last week about teaming, and yeah, it works. I know it works, but I don't want it to be what I run for whenever I want to, you know, lose some weight or water weight, or suppress my appetite or whatever, or eat whatever I want to eat, and then I can just drink my detox, you know what I mean, like my colon tea. Like, I don't want to do that. I want to take my fitness serious again. Like, I want that. I want to start going back to the hill. I want to start going back to the gym. And I think because of everything that has been happening to me personally, as I said it on, I think on Snapchat, I can't remember, but yes, I said it on Snapchat that, listen, just pray for me, because I don't share everything on social media. I choose what I share, and sometimes when I share things I regret it, like, oh, probably I shouldn't have posted that, or oh my god, I probably shouldn't, you know, have said that, you know what I mean. Like, I have sharer's regret. That's even a thing. I don't know, my eyebrows looking hella weird. Okay, so I'm going to be using my LA Girl Deep Contour Cream. That's at Fontana, and slowly becoming my fave. But anyway, so yeah, so it's just that has been on my mind, and I have no motivation whatsoever. Why have I waited this long to go to the gym or to the hill, or, you know, why haven't I been going? I mean, I've always been busy. You guys follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, like, I've always been busy. So being busy is not an excuse for me. Being busy is just, it's just my life. But I have made it an issue. Like, I made it an excuse, like, oh, I'm busy, I can do it another day. Oh, I'm busy, I can whatever. But I don't want that. I don't want that to be an excuse anymore. And I'm legit finding no motivation. Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys. I'm legit finding no motivation whatsoever to go back to the gym, to start working out again. Like, I have no motivation at all. I've been trying to watch YouTube videos, Sarah's Day, Amanda, you know, those people who always motivate me. Jelissa Scotton, who recently got married, and she's pregnant now, because I was like, oh my god. And it's like, I don't know. I've downloaded some more fitness apps, and it's just not working for me. So I'm going to do what I've always told you guys to do, and it's just to start. You see, once I start something, even if I don't have the motivation, once it's something that I really want to do but I don't have the motivation for it, so once I start, I'll just go ahead with it, you know. So I'm going to start on, by the time you're seeing this, I'm filming this a week before, so I believe you're seeing this video on Tuesday, which is after Jonathan's birthday, which is the 12th, 12, 13, 14, 15, so you're probably seeing this on the 16th of May. Yeah, so yeah, so I would have started going back to the hill, which was yesterday, Monday. Hopefully I'm Snapchatting it. Yeah, and to just document my fitness journey again. So it's like I'm starting over, and every single time I start over, it's like my period throws me off. And then a couple of times I thought I was pregnant, so I was afraid to go and work out. And you know how your body feels whenever you're pregnant. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm pregnant, I can't work out. Oh my gosh, I'm pregnant, I can't go to the hill, do a pregnancy test. Not so. I'm like, well, you know, I'll start tomorrow or next week, and then I never do. And it's just like, I don't want to lose everything I've been working for. 1, 2, I still have a body goal in mind. you know what I mean? And strangely enough, I thought that being pregnant, wow, I thought that being pregnant would have gotten in my way. Like, I don't want to get pregnant. No, I'm working on my body. Like, no, if I'm pregnant, I'm cool. Like, it's just, I don't know. Like, I'm cool if I'm pregnant. No, you know what I mean? I don't know what that is. I don't know why that is. I don't know. But yeah. So that's just where I've been, where my fitness is concerned. I haven't really been doing anything. I haven't really been working out or anything. I've just been trying to eat right. I stopped eating after 6 about a month ago, and of course sometimes I miss and I eat after 6, you know, like, and you know, it happens, you know what I mean? And I guess because you guys know how I am, I'm a go hard or go home type of person, and if I kind of miss that up, sorry, this is warm honey LA colors. Yeah, if I miss one day, like, I take it to heart, you know what I mean? So I'm battling my own demons. I'm just trying to get over that, to get over myself. Like, it's okay if I have a plan and it doesn't work, you know, at least I have a plan. I didn't go in there without a plan and hoping for the best. Crap, I cut my brows short. Did not want to do that. Like, I had a plan and it just didn't work out. Oh, the short brows don't look so bad, but I didn't want them to be short. But yeah, so that's just basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about my health and fitness journey. I have not worn my fitness belt in the time that I have not been to the hill or gym, so collectively 4 months, you know, and my waistline is coming back. I do see it, and then coupled with me not eating properly regularly, you know what I mean, and me eating foods that bloat me. You guys know I love my waist trainer from Poopsy's Boutique Hair Studio on Instagram, and I live by that thing, but sometimes I don't want to wear it. And I do notice that when I've had it on, like, for the day, because the blue one, the one that I have, I can wear it, well, the blue one, I can wear it consistently, you know what I mean, like for 12-15 hours. Like, it's very comfortable. And whenever I take it off, like, my body has the shape of it. So I mean, that makes me feel good, you know. But you know, is it lasting? It helps under my clothes, and most times, depends on what I'm wearing, it shows that I'm wearing it. And I don't know, and it's like, because I haven't been on my fitness-ish, I have not been on it, I'm doing little things that people would do when they want to lose weight but they don't want to work, and it's just Smashbox primer, and it's just not, oh crap, I left my setting spray. It's just not good, you know. Better you work for it. Now I do have a video coming up on my waist trainer and I love my waist trainer. I stand by my waist trainer, because I'm not going to promote something that's bull crap, you know what I mean. But in the same breath, it's like, but I want to work though. This is not an excuse for me, you know. This is not an excuse. Like, I want to work, I want to put the work in, and I want lasting results. Now with the waist trainer, you can get lasting results if it's a constant, if you're constantly wearing it, you know what I mean. Because I've seen people with like tiny waist and they constantly wear the waist trainer. But yeah, let me zoom out a little bit for you. Yeah, so that's what has been going on with moi. This is my LA Girl Pro coverage, and this is in the color Toast. This color, I believe, is really light for me. I shouldn't have gone with this light color. I'm still testing this out though, but I like testing when this is the second time I'm wearing it, and you guys have seen the first time. Hopefully I put that video up. I didn't like how it looked, so if I put the video up, then it's up. But if I didn't put it up, I wouldn't be surprised, because I didn't like how my makeup came out for that video. But yeah, see, I don't think the color is, see it's a little bit too light, you see, but that's fine. If the color is too light for me, I can use a darker powder. If a color is too dark for me, I can use a lighter powder. So I rarely throw away my makeup. Oh, and it's not bad coverage at all. Alright, okay. The first time I wore this, I was kind of stressed out because I was getting ready for church, getting Jonathan ready for church, and it was just like, oh my gosh, the ride is here, oh my gosh, we're going to be late. So it was like under stressful circumstances, and I don't, if you like, I don't know, but for me personally, I don't like applying my makeup when I'm stressed, you know what I mean? I like applying my makeup calm, like this, like how I was talking here, guys. And Jonathan is sleeping, so I can't afford to just talk to you guys. Guys, this is not bad coverage at all. Are you seeing that? And I did not use a whole lot either. This is not bad. This is not bad. My earlobes are black always because when I was younger, I played with my ears and it turned them dark. Alright, no more for me. So I did something when the first time I used this, I used this and this together, and I'm going to do it again. Warm honey. I'm going to go in with my Fawn. Where's my beautiful? Okay. So yeah, that's where I am. No, and I don't know if you guys know, if you follow me on Snapchat, you guys know, and even follow my progress, but I was sick for a couple of days. I had an ear infection, an eye infection, and a throat infection, so I wasn't doing good at all. And I filmed while I wasn't doing good. All those videos you saw me film last week when I was in that like black top, that was when I wasn't feeling good. And when I was editing the video, I could hear myself. I was like, oh my god, that sounds so ill. But because I had already committed to doing this, like putting up a video every Monday to Friday for this month, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. And for this month I was supposed to do the beauty vlogger takeover again, but because I wasn't feeling good, I was like, you know, let me just do my videos, and another month when I'm feeling a little bit better, then I can take a shot at the beauty vlogger takeover. But I did do some collabs this month with a couple of my girls, because I should have done it with them from a longer time. I was like, you know, let me just smash that out real quickly and then we'll be good to go. I am not mad at this primer or this foundation. Alright guys, if you hear a whirling sound, that's the fan. It's on right here on me. I'm going to go into the contour again, and then look at what I'm going to use, the lighter one, lighter side. You see that? Oh my god, it just makes it look so good. See that? It makes it look so good. Oh, tonight at church. I wonder if I'm going to church tonight. So today is Tuesday as I'm recording this, and every single Tuesday we'll have church. Oh, I have a little, here we go, my brush. So I'm going to use this side to do my low lighting. And since I got this, oh by the way, I got this at Fontana. I don't know if I told you guys, I've been like into cream contouring again. I was like, you know what, you go ahead, Fontana, you go ahead. Friday is Jonathan's birthday as I'm recording this, on the 12th of May, and I already see some stuff at Fontana that I want, and with my discount I was like, yes girl, get it. So I go to Fontana almost every Thursday. It depends if I'm not doing anything, but almost every Thursday I go there. Sometimes I film there. I do special episodes there for my YouTube channel or for Fontana. So when I go there this Thursday, that's the day before Jonathan's birthday, I am going to be getting him some stuff. And hopefully, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you would have already seen what your girl done got her baby. Alright, so let's just blend this out. Oh my god, I love that. Oh, that's my phone. Where is it? Alright. So I'm just going to blend out. And it's not... Oh, it blends out so easily. You know what? Not bad. LA Colors is really coming through. My throwback YouTube video, me on the floor. Alright guys, at this point Jonathan woke up. So that is my black opal oil absorbing powder, loose powder in dark 004 dark. I believe in other videos I've said deep. It's not deep, it's in dark. So I'm putting that everywhere that I put my highlight. I don't know why I do this, but I've just fallen in love with it and I do it. So yeah, so this is what I'm using to set my highlighted areas, as you can see, with my damp beauty blender. And this is the same beauty blender that I used to blend out my foundation and stuff. So, and the reason why I started putting the highlight on this underneath my the hollows of my cheek, underneath my, what do you call it, like on my jawbone, like right there, man, like before I reach my neck, right there, so is because sometimes when I put my foundation on, it's just really dark and there's no dimension. So this for me adds dimension to my face. Now I'm just going to blend it out. As you can see, I just have it sit on my skin for a minute. Then I'm going to blend it out. I apply it wet, and I love how it applies wet, and not as a baking technique, but as me setting my makeup with it wet. It's pretty cool, and I am not mad at it. Something there. Yes, I'm gonna take it out. Alright, so now this is the darker part of the palette. It's not, it's the powder relative to the cream that I used, and this powder relative is also called dark. So I use dark in the LA, so I use dark in the cream, and now I'm using dark in the powder. So I use the dark part to set the dark part, the hollows of my cheek that I'm using. I'm just going over with the light part a little bit because it's my first time using it. I was like, alright, let's see what this does. And I am not mad at all. Like, me mad? Nah, boo. Alright, so, yeah. Then I put it back. So I'm not having put it back. So now I'm going to be wearing putting on my fashionista lashes by my line, Call Me by Lyric. And that's all I have to say about that. This is actually sold out on the website. That's really all I have to say. That's just what I'm doing. My nails look fire, right? VIP nails, but it did the darn thing. Alright, so now that he's up. Yeah, now that he's up. Jonathan? I watch those scary movies and like, hey, what's he doing? Like the child just gets up and walks off and you're like, oh, he's okay. Then when a girl, like this thing is holding him, breathing heavy. You're like, no. Nope, just me. Alright. Alright, clean up my nose. Oh, my lips. Oh, this is creme de nude. Just use a powder as like a lip liner. Yep. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I know my glow looks crazy. I should have brought my setting spray, but I didn't. So during the day this will melt down, my battery is dying. But this is the look, guys. I'm in natural sunlight, just on the veranda. Yeah, where's Jonathan? Hey Jono. Hey. Bye guys.